What's up, guys? It is about 2 o'clock, I think. 2 o'clock. I woke up pretty much like an hour ago because me and Isaiah stayed up till really late again. And we're playing MLB like always. We've been playing it the whole weekend pretty much. And then I'm uploading a clip for you guys, asking you guys to watch us on ESPN tonight. And we're gonna go get some food right now. We're waiting for Isaiah to finish his game before we leave, but this guy, when you pause the game, it gives you like a certain amount of time, and this guy's on like 2 or 1 second left, and we're banking on him to just pause it like one more time, that way we win so we can leave, but he's not pausing it.
All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet tweet.
So we're just chilling in the bullpen right now. Bullpen chilling. Gamboa bullpen chilling. We're waiting for LMU to get done with their BP, and then we take BP, and we're only a couple hours away till the WCC championship starts, baby. Yeah, so the first game we beat BYU on a walk-off. It was sick as hell. And then we lost to LMU, and then we had to play USD. We beat USD yesterday and eliminated them, so it's just us and LMU now. So this determines, whoever wins this determines who goes to regionals. So fingers crossed. A lot of people are watching, friends, family. We got a lot of texts and Snapchats and stuff telling us good luck. So hopefully the game goes in our favor. Right, Kiko?
Yeah, right. Right.
That was sick as shit, guys.
The guys are playing hacky sack right now.
What are you doing?
Trying to stay loose. Last couple of days we've been taking BP in the cages. Now we can actually take it on the field.
Wake me up, Dallas.
Green just takes his daily nap. Have you been playing MLB?
Yeah, I went to bed at like 4 in the morning last night. That's the problems with PS4.
Me too. Deutsch and I have been going to bed at like 5 in the morning.
Crash, though.
Yeah, it kind of sucks. It does kind of glitch a little bit.
Yeah.
Beef stew. Give him beef stew.
Are you pitching, Blaine? Yeah. No.
Blanche, give him some beef stew.
Oh, get him. Gary, get him.
I'm fucking out.
Beef stew. Beef stew.
Back championship for the Waves of Pepperdine University. Of course, tonight's final score, Pepperdine 4, Loyola Marymount 2. We have a lot to get to still. We have our all-conference tournament team to announce, and of course the championship presentation, and then of course followed by a spectacular fireworks show. A lot more in store. Stay tuned.
Hey, Butch. Good job, baby. Good job, boys. Good job, boys.
Baseball championship most outstanding player from Pepperdine, Brad. Yeah!
so majestic.
So majestic, so patriotic.
Everybody enjoying the fireworks.
Go boys! Raise out 3! 1, 2, 3! Yes! Go, done!
Yo, you see that right there? You see that right there?
Woo!
Let's go!
Let's go, baby! Go to another regional!
Regional.
What's a regional?
So
Woo! Hey,
so on Monday we gotta there's like a showing and it shows you where everybody's going to, and so Monday we see where we're going. It's gonna be somewhere on the West Coast since we're a West Coast team. And
Iodes, look at JayCrew, not at you. JayCrew.
I am JayCrew, so technically I'm looking at JayCrew.
Look at the JayCrewers, not JayCrew.
What do I call them? Crewers? JayCrewers?
Crewers?
Crewers? Just the crew?
The Jews? No.
The crew? Hey, talk to the
That's
crew.
already-
Jally, are you excited that you're on top 10? Alright guys, it's been a long and stressful day, but worth it because we're going to regionals. And Isaiah and I are finishing the night out by playing some MLB, of course. But I wanted to thank you guys for watching, those of you guys who did. Those of you who couldn't, I'm sorry. I knew of no other place you could watch it other than ESPNU. But yeah, we had fun. It was a really good game. Like, from the first inning, we hit a home run and then they scored right after, and it was just like back and forth. But yeah, on Monday we find out who we're playing, what regional we're going to. I don't know if we're gonna pull. Are we gonna pull an all-nighter?
I'm down. Sleep on the fucking bus.
I know. Our bus leaves at 8 o'clock and it's like 1. Actually 1. It's 3. It's 3. See, I'm messed up. Like, our sleeping pattern, mine and Isaiah's sleeping pattern is just so off. Like, we think it's like 10 o'clock at night and it's like 3 in the morning. But yeah, so our bus leaves at 8 o'clock and we gotta wake up early and all that stuff, and I still need to pack. All my stuff is on the floor. And I'm usually not this messy, I swear, but yeah, so we're gonna play some MLB, pack up, and then go to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.